If you still go to shops just to buy small things like phone cases, you are spending too much time and energy. Today, we're going to show you something very simple that most beginners don't know yet. You can actually buy products online using just your phone in a few clicks, and it will be delivered straight to your home. No walking, no waiting in lines, no stress. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to choose a product, add it to your cart, pay safely, and track your order like a pro. So stay with us because your first online purchase starts right now.
Oh no, my phone case is broken again. Look, it's cracked everywhere.
Again? You really need a strong one this time.
Yes, but I don't want to go outside. It's too hot.
That's fine. We don't need to go outside anymore.
Really? How?
We use technology. We order online using apps.
Apps? On my phone?
Yes. Today, I will teach you step by step.
Okay, I'm ready. I think.
First step, open a shopping app or website.
Why do I need an app?
Because online stores work through apps. They are fast and easy.
Is it safe?
Yes, if it is a trusted app with good reviews.
How do I know it is trusted?
Look at ratings, downloads, and reviews from users.
Oh, so I don't just click anything.
Exactly. Always be careful.
Okay, I open the app now. Wow, so many things. It says, sign up. What is that?
That means you create your account.
Why do I need an account?
So the system can save your orders, address, and history.
Oh, okay. I type my name, email, password. Done.
Good. Now log in.
I feel like a real online shopper now.
Now type what you want.
Phone case. Wow, so many results.
Yes, that's why we use filters.
Filters?
Yes, price, color, rating, delivery time.
Oh, I see under $5. I click it. Now it's easier.
Good. Technology helps you find things faster.
I click one item. I see pictures, description, stars.
That's the product page.
What are stars?
Ratings from other buyers.
This one has 4.8 stars.
That is very good.
Should I trust it?
Always check reviews first.
Okay. I read very good quality, fast delivery. I think it's good. But one person says bad quality.
That's normal. People have different experiences.
I don't know now.
Don't focus on one review. Look at many.
Okay, most people say good. I will choose this one.
Good decision.
It has black, pink, blue.
Which do you want?
Black is safe. Pink is cute.
Take your time.
I choose black.
Final answer?
Yes, black.
Now click Add to Cart.
Done. What is cart?
It is your shopping basket.
Like in a supermarket?
Exactly.
I like this. It feels easy.
Now open your cart.
I see my item, price, color, quantity.
Always check carefully.
Why?
Many people make mistakes here.
Oh, I don't want mistakes. Everything is correct.
Good.
Oh, apply coupon. What is that?
It gives you a discount.
I love discounts.
Everyone does.
I click it. Oh, wow. It is cheaper now.
Technology saves money. Now click Checkout.
Okay, I feel nervous.
Don't worry, this is normal.
It says address,
Yes, enter carefully.
street name, house number, city.
Double-check everything.
Why?
If it is wrong, delivery will fail.
Oh no, I will check twice. How do I pay?
You have options: cash on delivery, card payment, mobile wallet.
I choose cash.
Good for beginners. Always check secure payment.
How?
Look for trusted apps and secure checkout system.
Okay, I feel safe now. I click place order. Done. Did I really buy it?
Yes.
I did online shopping. It shows tracking. Confirmed, processing, shipping.
You can see everything in real time.
Wow, technology is amazing.
Hello, your package is coming soon.
Thank you. I'm home.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Please pay.
Here you go. Let's open it. Wow, nice. Wait, it's pink. I chose black.
Technology sometimes makes mistakes too.
I contact customer support. How can I help you? I received the wrong color.
We'll replace it.
Thank you so much. Finally, black.
Perfect ending.
Now I can shop online confidently.
You are officially upgraded to Smart Online Shopper.
Ha! Thank you, Teacher Jonah.
If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Because every week we will bring you more real-life English conversations just like this one. And now we want to hear from you. Comment below. Have you ever ordered something online before? Or tell us, what product do you want Elena to buy next? See you in the next episode.